picks it up. Knock it over. Can you knock it over? You think that's funny? You Goofy's a be a goofy ball. Knock it over. You knock it over? Yeah, he's being goofy, isn't he, Addie? Oh. You think that's funny, big boy? Yeah, he's gonna drop it. You're being a good big sister and picking it up for him. Is she being good big sister? Yeah, are you being goofy? Are you being goofy? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama.